An Ocean of Energy is an extensive Qigong course in which you will learn the techniques to tap into the power of the mind, body and consciousness. Learn to develop inner peace and strength through breathing, movement and meditation. The course consists of over 30 carefully created videos of practice and theory lessons, Qigong healing sounds, standing meditations, Qigong poses and guided meditation sessions. Get a profound understanding of this wonderful technique to bring strength, health and happiness into your life.